trash community and eco advocates, welcome to Trash to Treasure, the podcast where we turn kwento into kampanya and basura into pagbabago.
Today's story starts with a problem we all know too well: climate change. Floods, mass suspensions, heat waves is real and it's here.
But what if the solution starts with something simple, like how we handle our trash? Because sometimes, big changes begin with a small step. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, isang tanong muna. Paano nga ba nagiging kayamanan ng basura?
Sa Trash to Treasure, naniniwala kami na bawat kwento ng kalinisan ay may kapangyarihang magbago. Hindi lang ng paligid, kundi pati ng pananaw at puso ng bawat isa.
Kaya ngayon, babahagi namin ng ilang kwento. Hindi lang para makinig, kundi para maramdaman, pag-isipan at tanungin ang sarili. Ano ang pwede kong gawin? Ano ang pwede nating simulan bilang mga tagapag-alaga ng ating mundo?
Pagkatapos ng mga kwento, pag-uusapan natin ang mga aral at konkretong hakbang na pwede nating simulan bilang estudyante, anak, kaibigan at mamamayang may malasakit sa kalikasan. Isang senior high school student, one rainy afternoon, classes were suspended again. She looked around her room, piles of notebooks, plastic bottles, and snacks wrappers everywhere.
Instead of dumping everything in one trash bag, she paused. Notebooks, recycled. Bottles, cleaned and stored. Wrappers, packed into a bottle for an eco brick.
That small act sparked something. Her family noticed, then joined in. After a month, they donated eco bricks to a local shelter, sold recyclables to buy school supplies, and even started composting kitchen waste.
From one rainy day came a ripple of change. Proof that even a small act of care can grow into a movement inside a single home. Partner, wala ka bang personal story dyan na pwede nating makonect sa narinig nating kwento?
Meron naman. Ganito kasi yun. There was once a contest in our school, a fashion show using recycled materials. While my classmates and I were working on my gown, we realized that waste can be turned into something beautiful and valuable. At first, it was just a project, but later it became a lesson. Creativity and sustainability can go in one hand.
Ang ganda nun. Minsan, hindi natin napapansin na sa likod ng mga simpleng gawain tulad ng paggawa ng gown or pag-recycle ng bote ay nagsisimula na pala tayong magbago at magiging inspiration sa iba. Ay partner, alam mo ba? May barangay pala sa Maynila na may kakaibang programa. Anong tawag ulit doon? Trash something yun eh. Ayun. Trash for gulay.
Be, talaga ba partner? Ano bang meron sa ganyan? Parang interesting yan ah.
Oo, partner, interesting talaga. Ganito kasi yun. Tuwing weekend, dinadala ng mga residente ang mga segregated na basura nila. Mga plastic bottles, lata, or karton. Kapalit nun, mga tokens.
So parang point system lang no? Pwede bang ipalit sa kung ano man? Ganon?
Oo, yes partner, pwede. Yung mga token, ginagamit nila yun para makabili ng sariwang gulay mula sa community garden nila. At yung mga biodegradable waste tulad ng balat ng prutas o dahon, ginagawa nilang compost.
Ay grabe, ang galing naman nun. Nakakakain ka na ng healthy, nakakatulong ka pa sa kalikasan. Parang win-win situation yan, partner ah.
Tama. Tawag nga nila doon Trash for Gulay. Isang simpleng proyekto na naging simbolo ng pagkakaisa at malasakit sa kalikasan. Isipin mo mula sa basura, nagiging pagkain pa.
Ay, alam mo ba partner, meron din sa barangay San Isidro na nagre-recycle din sila ng mga materials. Talagang malaking tulong talaga sa kanila yun.
Now, let's listen to our one residents from Barangay San Isidro about her barangay that has created a recycled materials for residents.
According to her, her barangay officials has been planning since before pa. At ngayon lang daw nagkaroon ng time ang kanilang barangay officials. At laking gulat daw nila sa residents ng barangay na ito ay maraming recycled materials ang kanilang nagawa at nagamit.
And according to her, nakagawa sila ng maraming gamit at nakatulong pa. Katulad na lang ng lumang gulong, turning into beautiful chair and plastic bottles into plant pots at ang mga lata at tansan bilang palamuti sa kanilang garden na sa barangay.
Wow! See, even if it's just a small plan, malaki na ang impact sa environment natin.
Tama, kaya ang mga tao sa barangay nila ay natututong magtabi ng mga bagay na sa tingin nila ay mapapakinabangan pa at natuto rin silang maging creative.
Hindi lang sila nakatulong, kundi natuto rin sila maging creative. Wow!
Nakakatuwa talaga pag nagtulungan ang komunidad. Sana lahat ng barangay may ganitong programa.
Exactly. Ibig sabihin, kaya pala natin. Basta sama-sama, may disiplina at may malasakit.
Tatlong kwento, isang estudyante, tas dalawang barangay. Parehong nagsimula sa simpleng hakbang pero parehong nagbunga ng malaking epekto.
Kung ikaw ang nasa kwento ng puno ng gamit, ano ang gagawin mo? Kung sa barangay nyo may ganitong programa, sasali ka ba? Minsan kasi, hindi natin napapansin pero tayo rin ang simula ng solusyon.
Hindi mo kailangan maghintay ng bagyo o kalamidad para kumilos. Ang pagbabago, pwedeng magsimula sa isang bote, isang segregated na basura, isang desisyon na gawin ng tama.
And when we do it together, that small act becomes part of a bigger picture, a movement that builds hope, discipline, and compassion for our planet.
Tulad ng sinasabi sa Trash to Treasure, maliit man ang hakbang basta tuloy-tuloy, siguradong may mararating. These stories reminds us that the solution isn't far, it's in our hands. Waste segregation, environmental education, and active participation can make our planet feel cleaner and our lives healthier.
That's why Trash to Treasure exists to promote proper waste management in homes, schools, and communities.
We've got eco tips, bug posts, challenges, and advocacy content, all backed by laws like Republic Act 9003, Solid Waste Segregation Act, and Republic Act 8293, Intellectual Property Code, to ensure ethical, transparent, and responsible advocacy.
Ethical, accessible, transparent, that's how we roll. Because real change starts when awareness becomes action.
So if you're a student, teacher, parent, or local partner, this movement is for you.
Join us, share your story, be part of the transformation, help us turning trash into treasure and clutter into community care.
Because when we start today,
We shine tomorrow.
together, let's turn every piece of trash into a story of change.